So this question is replace employee ID with a unique identifier. So you are given two tables, employee and employee UNI. So you want to return the unique ID in the employee UNI table. So if a user does not have unique ID, replace to no. So you want to know there is the left join happening. So basically you want to match UNI ID, which is 31190, to employee ID 311 and 90. So it's going to be this three name, right? And people who don't have the ID, unique ID, you want to set it to no. So you want to use left join, right? So while we're selecting the unique ID, right? So select unique ID as unique ID, something like this. And then I need another one. It's going to be e.name. So how do I get a value using a left join? So for employee e and left join the employee UNI on the ID, right? So we can say using ID. If they have the same column, this would be it using ID. Employees, spell this wrong so bad. Alright, so this will be solution. Yeah. So using is a trick way to replace the e.id equal to uni.id. So using if they have the same column title, you can use using. If not, you need to use the standard way. Alright, so this will be the solution. If you have a question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.